Alright guys, we're ready to stain this floor. Got my stain mixed up on the roller, brush for the edges, and my music on go. Let's roll. You want to start out with a section like this, so you're not reaching out too far in and letting your knees go past the staining part, because you don't want dirty knees. Sometimes you can't help it, but we can help it. Let's keep going. Just keep it close to the stop. We want to kind of stop around where it borders, to try to avoid some lap lines. And just notice there's a little bit of ring. So if you see a ring, you gotta try to put something on there, or just set it on top of something like this, because that won't stay if we just let it sit there. And you can buff this in, but I like to get personal with it. And just makes you feel like you're doing a better job of taking all the stain off. And sometimes with a buffer, it can leave some there. You just see better when you're down level, when you're down on the floor level. See how it's turning out? Looking good. We did do the trim here also. Just enough finish for this little spot. Just enough stain, I mean. I got the fan going because I wanted to dry quick, because I'm looking to finish this right after. So if you have access to a fan, by all means, keep it rolling, keep it on. But if you don't want it to dry out on you, you can just turn it off. Me, I like to work fast, so I'll leave it on. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. I'm gonna end up working myself out right here, and then get in that section, then get in the hallway. Change out your beach towel as needed. I like to roll it on pretty deep, get it in there good, and pick up the excess. Patience. I just noticed these right here. Actually, I noticed another one over there. I'll show you 2 ways to fix this. First fix for lazy people. And once that dries, you won't be able to see it. That's the handyman way. Now, I'll show you the professional way. You'll need a scraper, piece of sandpaper, sharpen it up. Just feather. So now, get the sandpaper, Preferably one that you finish the floor off with is better. You want to blend it so you see no stop marks. Wait for that to dry. And do the same thing for what the handyman left you. Now put the same stain back. Try to keep it just in that spot where it needs it. Just wipe it. There you go. I did the one that the handyman special fixed that one too. Couldn't just leave it like that. I never do this. There's never one way to do it. In my opinion, just whatever makes sense. Brush it, roll it, whatever it looks like is gonna be the best tool for the moment. That's what you wanna go with. You kind of become an artist the more you do this. When you start seeing tools as just an art tool, really. A roller, you can roll it, but this is a little more precise. And in my world, that's important. All right, guys. This is how you stain the floor. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of this. Kind of cramped. Stay tuned for the coating that will go down later. Are stained. Now they need some polyurethane. Let's get to it. All right, guys. This is just the first coat. We'll do another one after this one. Yeah, stay tuned for the results. Floors are finished. And these are the final results. Well, sort of doing one more coat. And then it's ready to roll. Hit like, subscribe if you found this helpful. Look out for the next one. Thanks.